Hello, this is Paul with OUTPACEsys. OUTPACEsys is based on proprietary financial analysis and trade alert signals, which we implement for both short and long-term trading, consistently achieving very profitable results. In this brief video, we'll give you the latest news for the week ending August 8th, 2008. We will start discussing the trades we closed this week, once again very profitable trades, and we'll continue with a summary of the events and major trends in the various markets we follow. Okay, the trades. This is the daily chart of the Dow Jones, showing the triggers we had over the past several weeks. From a bearish posture that started mid-May, we identified and took advantage of the counter trend that started here in mid-July. It's been fairly choppy, but the end trend has been confirmed and still ongoing. We did take profits on part of the positions we had, primarily to take advantage of the spike up that we had on Friday. So for the Dow Jones, we opened a long position on July the 24th. Here you see how it was very choppy, as I said before, but paid off this week when we closed half of the position with a profit of 23% in a 12-day trade. The Nasdaq, shown here, has been even stronger in this up move and is now challenging a long-term resistance. In this initial up move, we opened a long position on July 24th also, that we closed this past Friday with an 85% profit, which we achieved in a 10-day trade. Very good trade indeed. This is how it went. We opened the position here. Again, some choppiness, some range trading here, but then we spike up this past Friday and we closed it here. Again, 83% profit in 10 days. The S&P 500 also moved up in the past couple of weeks, a move that we took advantage of with several short-term trades in the mini S&P, all very profitable. As far as crude oil is concerned, we've been on a bearish position since July the 18th, and we think that we should be seeing at least a few more days of down movement before the long-term support comes into play. Now let's move on to reviewing the market events of the week. Let's look first at the performance comparison charts. This is the weekly chart that shows the nice up move that we've mentioned. The move ranged from 2 to 4% for the S&P and Nasdaq respectively. The up move is quite evident in both the 3-month chart and the year-to-date chart. Trend after move ranging here and the downturn that we had for the past several months. Let's look now at the individual charts. This is the Dow Jones Industrial weekly chart that shows that this week the Dow Jones closed above the 10-week moving average, which is a nice positive signal. The following charts are the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, both continuing their up move. Bonds have continued the swing back from their low that happened here in early July and are also fighting their short-term resistance. Next charts are on the sectors that we follow. All sectors have mostly benefited from the market up move. Consumer discretionary in particular with a 7% move up. Materials and energy have on the other hand gone down, following the crude oil of course, and lost about 4%. In the 3 months view, healthcare stock lift their heads above zero finally, which is a nice move. The year-to-date view shows that sectors are pointing up. Financials have recovered a good 15% from the low. Contrary to US equities, country-specific stocks are down a couple percent for the week, with the exceptions of Taiwan, which spiked up about 6%. The longer-term trends, however, both the 3 months and the year-to-date, are quite negative still. This is the weekly chart for crude oil. Again, we discussed how the fall is continuing. And this is gold weekly chart. Gold continued its fall to the bottom of the range that we've been discussing in the past several weeks. We'll see if in the next couple of days it will bounce back or dive deeper down in further negative territory. These dire views are illustrated in these weekly comparison charts. Oil is down 8% this week alone, and gold is down 6% this week. The year-to-date chart is even more emphatic in showing how strong the fallback from the high has been for crude oil. This is it for this week. Thank you for checking in with us again. We hope you will share this video with your friends. At the right of the screen is the link to our website, OUTPACEsys.com. Please visit us there, where you can find past editions of these weekly reviews and additional details on our system and our approach to the market for incredibly profitable investments. We'll see you online this week. Happy trading!